2, 1.
Take a seat. Sit up. Kyron, use the word hostile in a sentence.
I found out I had a hostile friend when he came from a different country because he was a murderer.
Whoa, thank you for the detail. Yes, that doesn't sound like a very safe friend. You still in?
Yeah.
Isley, go ahead.
It's a
Equivalent.
privilege.
In a sentence. Call that one, everybody. Pass it up. Dennis. Dennis. Equivalent in a sentence.
Both of the milk jugs were equivalent.
In what?
On the weight?
In weight. In
Weight.
size.
The milk jugs were equivalent in weight.
In equivalent weight, size, shape. Okay. Montez. Controversy in a sentence. Side your eyes are up. Desmond, you guys read that next time. Go ahead.
A lot of controversy between a crowd of citizens.
The who did?
Students.
The students. Wow, they must have been arguing about something. 1, 2, 3, there'll be 4 left. Okay, I'm going to call the time at 12:40. Means if we don't find a winner, we'll have to finish at the end of the day. Right side, you guys listening? So both of these. When I ask a question, you go through that question in your head. Answer it to yourself, too. Okay, speed round, going faster. Janae, definition, sentence. Use the word jovial in a sentence.
The kid was jovial when
She sure was. Kyra, use the word coup d'etat in a sentence.
Okay. The students, we plan to have a coup d'etat and get rid of Mr. Collins and go to 6th grade.
Ouch. Okay. Montez, use the word revolution in a sentence.
they did try a revolution to get rid of the French.
They did. They got all the people involved. Dennis, use the word. I'm sorry. Use the word hacienda in a sentence.
We can say it's a sentence, not the
Gotta call it, Dennis. Take a seat. Next time, take a seat, pass it up. Taniqua.
Really good.
Taniqua, hacienda in a sentence. 2 minutes left.
The hacienda. Well, I don't have to say. Do I have to say Latin America, even though hacienda and Latin America?
You can say it in a sentence that shows you know what it means. Let's give her give her a chance.
Okay, the hacienda started a controversy because they wanted a small plantation instead of a large plantation.
No, that didn't make sense.
But I did use the word. I don't know what that
Didn't
is.
make sense.
Yeah, let's evaluate. If we think she used it correctly, raise your hand.
I don't know.
I think,
But I
I
don't
think she
even know.
almost used it correctly, but just there's a little tiny mistake in raise your hand. Slight mistake. Who can correct that sentence for me? I think I know what you were trying to say. You're very, very close. Kyron.
I think you could have said that it was controversy on the hacienda because they wanted to make it bigger.
So there was an argument. So in the plantation, hacienda is a plantation. In the plantation, maybe the owners were arguing with each other because they were like, "Oh, should we make it bigger? Should we make it smaller?" Yeah. Okay, take a seat. We have 3 left. We're in 1 final minute. Okay, Montez, use the word significant in the sentence.
It's significant to me to do my homework every
It was significant for me to do my homework every night. Okay, Kyron, use the word terrain in the sentence.
When I grow up, I want to be like a meteorologist so I can study the terrain.
Cool. Although
I thought terrain was like kind of like the earth.
it is, I guess meteorologists usually study weather though. But I guess you would study it if you were a geographer or a geologist, you'd probably study more terrain. But I'll take it because meteorologists do have to study the earth too. Janae, salvage.
Salvage.
Okay, he salvaged the day. The day was broken, but he salvaged it. I'll take that. Okay, we're out of time, so we're at 3. If we don't come to a winner by the end of the day, then I'm just going to have to buy all 3 burritos. Can we get a community clap for everybody? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I need your eyes up. I need you in the position. Facing forward with this hand out. Front and center. I'll give you 5 seconds to organize your desk. Make sure all the read logs are off. So don't have off. Make sure AR books are off. I want to see scholar position from all my scholars in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Ooh. Way better. Try it again. 3. Hold on. Let me put that. There it is. Just a second. 3, 2, 1. Go. Ooh, only 100%. 100%. That's how we get class bonuses. Ready? Come on back. Let's try it one more time. This time. I'm even going to say it in Italian. Ready? 2, 1, vai! Eyes, 100% this side. This side. 99 point up. 100%. Okay. We started today. Objective. Volunteer to read it. Oh my gosh, we closed the sky. Do you know?
Yes.
That's everybody. Go ahead, Keon. Read it for me.
Okay, students will be able to use the 3 levels of questioning by asking and answering while reading in order to improve comprehension.
Okay, the 3 levels of questioning. Yesterday we defined the 3 levels of questioning. A level 1 question. Raise your hand. Who recalls? This I'm asking you level 1 question. Level 1 question. Who recalls? Level 1. There.
Like I asked what happened to a character. Like it could be easy question.
Easy or basic question that asks what happened. Karen, answer that.
Evidence-based question.
99% evidence-based, but you can find it in the text, right? It's basically just what happened. You remember, can you define this event? Dennis?
Inference?
No. You're jumping ahead.
That's for level 2.
Level 2 question right there. Level 2. Yes, sir. Q1. In level 2 is the ground floor. Yes, but we could be more than that. What kind of question? We will. Armani? Inference-based. Q1? Inference-based. Louis, what do I mean by inference-based question? What's he asking? But inference-based, think of how we figure out inference questions. Nico?
You basically thinking, you making thinking questions. Inference, that's when you're thinking about what you want.
I am thinking, but I can combine my evidence with what, Keon?
Evidence with the schema.
Evidence with the schema. So if we think of level 1 as being the ground floor, the basement, this is all the basic facts, what happened, right? Doesn't require a lot of thinking, it requires some thinking, but it's mostly just there in the text. Level 2, that first floor, that's when I'm bringing my brain into the situation. I'm thinking, well, let me figure this, let me start figuring this out. Why? How? Now, we're going up from the ground floor to the penthouse, the top floor. This is level
3.
Level 3. Someone tell me about level 3. You guys have good recall here. Level 3. There.
Ideas, big ideas.
Big idea questions. Okay. Yes, sir.
Like, can I give an example?
Go ahead.
Alright, say, what happened if John White never went back to exercise?
Good. So you basically thinking questions would make you create something in your mind. So hypotheticals, what if, is a great level 3 question. And you can create, you can predict, you can also evaluate. Was this the best decision for the character, or is the way the author wrote this really the best way to present this information, or what would I have done in this situation? Okay. At this time, I want you guys to put your hands down a minute. I want you to go to our key points, levels 1 and 2. This is review. Class, read to me the definition here of level 1. Bill.
Basic facts and events.
Level 2.
Inference and inequality.
Level 3.